everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rohini Haridas, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at Maulana Mukhtar Ahmad Nadwi Technical Campus, Malegaon. In this video, we will discuss the operation of trip circuit of circuit breaker and it is explained with animation. Now let us see the basic components of protection system. We know that the basic objective of protection system is to provide the isolation of only faulty part quickly without disturbing the rest of the system. And to achieve this objective, protection system needs various components. Basically, it's the teamwork of different components. Let us see one by one. Current transformer, potential transformer, relay, circuit breaker and trip circuit. Again, trip circuit consists of battery, trip coil of circuit breaker and relay stationary contacts, etc. The first basic component is the current transformer. We know that the large alternating currents cannot be sensed or pass through the relay current coil directly. So, current transformers are used to step down the high current to such a levels that it can be easily handled by the relay current coil. In addition to that, it isolates the relay circuitry from the high voltage of EHV system. Please note that primary of the current transformer is always connected in series with the line to be protected and its secondary is always connected in series with the relay coil. Here figure shows the outdoor type current transformer. Next component is the potential transformer. The basic reason of using potential transformer is same as that of the current transformer. That is, large voltage cannot be sensed or cannot be applied to the relay pressure coil directly. So, we need to step down that high voltage and therefore we use the potential transformer. So, the function of potential transformer is to step down the high voltage of line to a level safe enough for the relaying system and personnel to handle. Please note that its primary is connected in parallel at a point where the measurement is desired. Here figure shows the typical potential transformer. Another component is the relay. The protective relay provides the brain to sense the trouble, or you can say to sense the fault or abnormal condition. The relay detects the fault or abnormal condition in an electrical circuit by constantly measuring the electrical quantities with the help of CTs and PTs. So, input to the relay is nothing but the outputs of CTs and the PT. Please note that the relay only detects the fault and sends tripping signal to the circuit breaker to disconnect the faulty element. Always remember that relays are the low energy devices and they are not able to open or isolate the faulty part. Here figure shows the conventional electromechanical relay and numerical relay, but nowadays electromechanical relays are not in use. Next component is the circuit breaker. As discussed earlier, relay provide brain to sense, or you can say brain to detect the fault. Now to isolate that faulty part, circuit breaker provide muscle. Circuit breaker has two contacts, fixed contact and moving contact. Under normal operating condition, these two contacts are in closed position. Now, when the fault occurs on the system, the relay will sense the faulty condition and send strip signal to the circuit breaker. To isolate the faulty part, moving contacts are pulled apart by some mechanism, thus opening the circuit. Here, figure shows the typical diagram of circuit breaker. Please note that here we have not discussed the details of any component because the scope of this video is to discuss only the operation of trip circuit of circuit breaker. Now let us discuss the basic connection diagram of protective relay and see how does the faulty part gets disconnected. Please note that the actual arrangement is quite complicated, but to understand the basic operation, simplified diagram is shown. This connection diagram is also known as trip circuit of circuit breaker. Let part X is the circuit to be protected. Now please refer the screen. The primary of current transformer is connected in series with the line to be protected, and secondary of the current transformer is connected in series with the relay current coil. Note that in actual practice, relay takes the input from both CT as well as from the PT, but for the sake of simplification, only CT circuit is shown in the diagram. Next, relay contacts are the part of the trip circuit of circuit breaker which is normally open contacts. Trip circuit consists of battery and the trip coil of circuit breaker as shown in figure. Now you can see the relay contact is connected in series with the battery and the trip coil of circuit breaker. The trip circuit can operate on AC supply or on the DC supply. And one important component is the circuit breaker. Please refer the diagram. The contacts of the circuit breaker are in closed position under normal operating condition. So, the normal rated current will flow through the line. Now, if the fault occur on the line, then the current through the line increases to very high value. The CT senses this current and proportionate secondary current will flow through the current coil of relay, due to which the MMF of this relay coil is increased. The MMF means magnetic motive force. This increased magnetic motive force is sufficient to mechanically close the normally open contacts of the relay, and thus the contacts of the relay will get closed, and thus the circuit gets completed as shown in figure, and therefore the current will start flowing from the battery through trip coil in the trip circuit. Thus the trip coil of the circuit breaker gets energized and MMF of the trip coil initiates the opening mechanism of circuit breaker, and thus the circuit breaker will get open. On the separation of contact, the flow of current is interrupted, resulting in arc formation between the contact, but after successful arc interruption, faulty part of the system will get isolated as shown in figure. The entire process discussed earlier is shown here in continuous manner. These are the some references. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.